you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing one brand makeup tutorial using all Faces Canada products, and I'll be giving quick review about the products as well. So let's get started. First thing I'm using is this concealer from Faces Canada, and this is how the concealer looks like. I must say this concealer is not at all good. It's very liquidy, it's very patchy, it looks very ashy, and I did not even like it. So you can see it was not blending with the beauty blender as well, and it has only two shades, you guys, medium and light, that's all, and it barely covers anything. So it's like very big no from me, and I will definitely not recommend this concealer for you guys, because you get more good full coverage concealers for this range. So yeah, that's that. Next thing I'm using is this compact to set my base. So I'm gonna be providing all the like shade list in the description box so that you can have a look on that. Next, I'm using this Ultime Pro eyeshadow palette. So this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. It comes with this sponge tip applicator, and it has four matte shades, and then rest is all shimmery shades. So I'm gonna be using that light peachish shade on my crease, and you can see it have barely any pigment. Like, I was trying to build the color and it was barely showing up on my eyelids. So then I went ahead with another matte shade just to build the color, and you can see here it also had barely any pigment. So I was literally like disappointed with this eyeshadow palette, because you get nice palettes for this range, you guys. It costs like 1,000 rupees and it barely have any pigment. Then I took this purpley shade and I tried to build the color. It was like okayish, like compared to two of them, but you need to work with these eyeshadows. So I'm just gonna be building the color like after trying gazillion times, and this is how the end result looks like. Then I'm gonna be using this shimmery shade and I'll be applying with my fingers itself, because it works good with fingers. And you can see the shimmery shades are like okay in this palette, but the matte shades are like horrible. So I'm just gonna be applying it with my brush once again, and then I'll be blending it with the crease color. And with brush it was not working, you guys. As you can see, you need to work little hard, and with fingers it was okay. Like, seriously, paying 1,000 rupees and I need to work hard to get that pigment on my eyelids? Big no, no ways, you guys. You get amazing palettes for like below 1,000 rupees, and you can try that rather than this palette. So yeah, next thing I'm using is this brown taupey shade for my outer corner like this, and then I'm gonna be blending it with the pencil brush like this. So thanks to purple.com, you guys, they had amazing offers when I purchased all these products, and I did not pay full amount, because now I don't regret at least not paying full amount. Then I went ahead with face makeup. I started with primer. This is how the primer looks like. It has slight tint on it and it works pretty good. Like, it smoothens your skin and gives you that flat surface for the base. So far this primer and the compact is good. Next thing I'm using is this foundation. This is how the foundation looks like. Both the packaging is similar, but primer is in silver coating and this is golden. So I need to check the foundation first, because I purchased from online, so I need to test it out. So I tested it out and then I applied it all over my face, and then blending it with my fingers first. Then I'll be using beauty blender to blend this foundation. So this foundation gives you minimal coverage. You can use it on daily basis if you don't like full coverage foundations, and it's very light and smooth on your skin. And even this foundation blends nicely with your fingers as well. So main concern about this foundation is that it has only four shades, you guys. My shade is 03 and it has only four shades, and it's not sufficient for all the skin tones. That's the main issue about this foundation. Other than that, the coverage and all is like okay. I like medium coverage foundations as well. Next thing I'm using is eyeliner. This is how the eyeliner looks like. It's very thin and elongated eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner because it gives you that precise application. So I'm gonna be lining my eyes with this eyeliner. I'm gonna be doing a wing liner with this eyeliner, and then I did touch up my eyeshadows before doing my liner because I felt it was fading off. So yeah. Once I'm done with my liner, this is how it looks. I'm gonna be doing same thing on my other eye. Then I used same concealer for my under eyes and on my nose, and then blending it with my beauty blender. So as I said, this concealer has no coverage and it's very liquidy. It does not have thick consistency. If you have blemishes, dark spots and dark circles and all, it will not work out. So after using this concealer, you need good compact to balance it because it looks patchy and ashy. So I did use this compact all over my face, and this compact is good. So I did set my full face with the same compact. Then I'm using this kajal, so I'll be applying it on my waterline and tight line with the same kajal, and I'm gonna be smudging my kajal on my lower lash line as well. Then on top, using this same taupe shade to blend the kajal, and I like the kajal as well. It's really nice and black. So once I'm done smudging my lower lash line, I'm doing the same thing on my other eye. Then using this mascara, so this mascara has this elongated wand and it's very flexible like this. I'm gonna be coating my upper and lower lashes with this mascara. So this mascara gives you lengthening and it just adds some color to your lashes. Other than that, it won't give you that volumizing effect, but it's like decent and it's again good for daily basis. So I did curl my lashes before applying mascara and then after applying mascara as well. Then I used this face palette. This is in the shade Glow. I'm gonna be using all the three of them. That's contour, blush and highlighter. So first I'm gonna be contouring my face. I'm just gonna be contouring my cheekbones and jawline. That's all. I must say this palette is really good. It's super duper pigmented. The contour shade was also nicely pigmented and the blush is super duper pigmented, you guys. You need to be light hand with this blush, and then I did blend it with the beauty blender. Once I'm done with contouring and blush, I'm gonna be highlighting my face. So I'll be highlighting my highest points, that's on my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin. So as you can see, this highlighter is really nice. It gives you that minimal highlighting effect which looks like a glow from within, and it does not have any chunky glitters also. So overall I really liked this face palette. Then I'm gonna be setting my face with this setting spray, and I must say this setting spray is also really nice because it did melted all my ashiness that happened to be because of the concealer. So once that's done, to finish off my look, I'm gonna be using this liquid lipstick from Faces Ultime Pro range, and this liquid lipstick is very liquidy, you guys. You need to like apply 2 to 3 layers to get that opaque color. The color of this particular liquid lipstick is very pretty, you guys, but the consistency is the problem. It's very liquidy. So yeah, that's the final makeup look using all Faces Canada products. I really hope this review was helpful. It was kind of mixed feelings for me about these products. I liked few products and I did not like few products, and that's my honest opinion out there. With that being said, I'll finish this video. Thank you all so much for watching.